مشاهدينا الكرام، أهلا وسهلا بكم في حلقة جديدة ومميزة من برنامجكم الوطني رواد الأعمال. وكما عودناكم في كل أسبوع أن نستضيف كفاءة جديدة ومن زاوية Special Businessman. Please welcome Mr. Munir Ahmed, the Chair Manager and Owner of Mirza Majid General Trading. Welcome, Mr. Munir. It's such an honor being here with you today.
Yeah, Assalamu alaikum. Thank you very much for your coming and welcome you in Ajman in our head office here. Yeah.
Thank you so much. It's our pleasure, of course.
Yeah.
So, firstly, can you tell me a little bit about yourself and how did you start your business?
Well, I started my business in 1973-74 in Libya, and then in 1979 I came to Saudi Arabia, established my company over there, and we started our general trading, import, distribution all around Saudi Arabia, the whole kingdom. And then we made our branches in Jeddah, Dammam, Medina and Riyadh. In 1998 I tried to explore in UAE. I visited Dubai and find possibilities of a lot of chances for the business. Then I started my company in 1998 in Dubai, and while doing our trading business, we tried to find possibilities of other ventures, and we find possibilities of property, real estate in the whole UAE. As I was interested in the ownership of the property, so I find these chances in Ajman specially. So in 2000 almost I purchased few pieces of land and I developed my company over here also in Ajman. Same Mirza Majid General Trading and same Mirza Majid General Trading in Dubai. So in both sides we were having our import and distribution network. Especially in Ajman, because of our warehouses, our own property, it was facilitated us a lot, because our Ajman port was helped a lot because very near, and we could bring our product here, and from here we were loading all the way to Oman and Bahrain and Qatar too. So in that way, alhamdulillah, we were very well established till 2017. It was going very well, but unfortunately we got this 5% VAT, because UAE was popular that it is duty free, tax free. So most of the people, they were enjoying business over here. Every year maybe thousands of new companies were opening, but once this thing came as a tax country, many of our clients, they closed their shop, they closed their business, they moved to some other countries. That affected a lot on our business, but still alhamdulillah we are here. Then came another problem of Corona. Corona actually affected a lot on all our businesses, but alhamdulillah we are a little bit in safe side due to our property. We are getting some help by the rental collections, and we are running our business still till now. Hopefully, if the we will be safe from Corona, we may get the business again online. And now alhamdulillah, during our last Corona period, we established our new venture, that is manufacturing of chocolate, candies and new product for the children, so that we can change our little bit line and keep on continuing. So alhamdulillah, we feel here in Ajman as our second homeland, and we feel very safe and we are enjoying our life. I have traveled all around the world: USA, UK, Brazil, Spain, France, Germany and the whole Far East, Singapore, Malaysia, Indonesia. But whenever I come back to my place, I feel relaxed, very safe, no issue, no political activities, we are just focusing on our businesses. I think this is something very important. If the things are in safe hands, we can develop. So we hope again, if we will be, a little bit away from this corona, we will be safe, we can develop our business once again,
We hope so, we hope so. Of course, mashallah, Mr. Munir, you have such great accomplishments.
Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah.
So, nextly, can you share with us more what kind of services do you provide?
Well, since 1979 from Saudi Arabia, we are just importer and distributor. Most of the companies from Europe, from America, from Far East, we were providing them our product, because this kind of product not manufactured in Saudi Arabia or in UAE. So we make it very special, especially for the children who are school going. They like it, they buy it, and also they enjoy it. So this is one of the part of our product. Then second part is our manufacturing. We manufacture chocolate, candies, and also some kind of toys with candies, which is very, very nice product and liked by the children. Especially we focus on our own product, so that no big competition should be in the market. People, what they do, they take our product, they take it to other countries and try to make it and copy it and bring with a little lower quality. So in order to give the best quality, we always focus on our product. Must be better, not only just compromising about the price. Our prices are very reasonable, our quality is very good. So it is liked by all our area of this GCC countries, starting from Saudi Arabia, Oman, UAE, Bahrain, Qatar, and also Pakistan, as I am from Pakistan. So second thing is our property based, which we are trying to build some buildings, apartments, and in order to have some our business continue. If trading is not moving, then this kind of business may help us to continue. So this kind of things. And secondly, we are trying to help our other buyers who they like to have their own product. We can make it for them also under their own brand. This is continue going in Saudi Arabia, in UAE and Oman. Yeah. So I think such trading possibilities will be continue if we can have some good time after this corona disease.
We hope so.
Yeah, we
that's
hope so.
really great,
Yeah.
Mr. Munir.
Yeah.
So, as a professional businessman, can you tell me what are your future plans?
Our planning actually nowadays is just to save ourselves and our employees from this pandemic, which is always almost after every 15 days we are getting worse situation. First we got news that the flights are going to open from Oman, from Saudi Arabia, from Pakistan, from India, but unfortunately due to this coronavirus over there increased, all the flights again closed. So all our plannings are almost now not doing very well due to this problem. But after this we hope maybe in next year we have some planning to establish more some business maybe like property, real estate, or make some new showrooms. We have our own showrooms, and we are starting some perfumery business, some cosmetics, which can help us again in the economy of our area especially. but still we are waiting. Hopefully, if we will be, a little bit recovered from such things, and most of our, customers, they are having a lot of investment, but as they are not recovering from this kind of problems, they are moving to other countries. So we are just giving them our example that we have invested, alhamdulillah, so much, and we also built up these things from here. So they must also wait for some time. Hopefully they will get the good future again from here, because here infrastructure is very good, safety, security is very good, and these things are, main things which can help us to develop a business. We have businesses in Indonesia, Malaysia, and also in Italy and in Spain, but what we are finding in this area is more safe, no hanky-pankies, and we are in safe hands. But unfortunately, because of less population, we have no big market. So we ask, our people to help in that way, to bring more and more people in this, area, so that we can get good market too. Yeah. So we request to our Shayukh so that they can relax the policy for all the foreigners, so that they can gather themselves over here and have some more businesses,
Of course.
which will help us and all the local people also,
Surely,
Yeah.
surely. We hope you all the best, Mr. Munir, and we hope you achieve all your goals.
Thank you very much, and thank you for your support also to advertise us all around, so that we can get something, fruitful.
Thank
Yeah.
you so much. So, Mr. Munir, as you know, here in the United Arab Emirates, it's such a big market, and there's a lot of competition. It's not easy to be successful.
Yes.
So, can you tell me what makes you so special? What is your secret?
Regarding this thing, you have to be specialized. For example, we are here and we are successful in the all past years, which is due to our speciality. Many people are bringing, product from all over the world, but our speciality was to create some new product and give the good quality in that, in foodstuff side, or in confectionery side, or in other side of a household product too. So we try to give, if we are focusing on the quality first, and if you can keep your prices in a reasonable manner, you will be always successful. As this market is small, so you have to depend upon other markets. Like we are depending, we are exporting to Oman, to Bahrain, to Qatar for the moment, and to Saudi Arabia. Saudi Arabia is quite a big market for us. And we are fully established from Jeddah, Mecca, Medina, and Dammam, Qasim, Riyadh, and Hafuf, Al-Ahsa, and then we have Jizan, Najran, Abha, Khamis Mished. So our network is everywhere. So once we establish any product, we can sell over there everywhere, as we are over there for the last 42 years in Saudi Arabia.
Wow, that's really great. We hope to see you even in higher and higher standards.
Yes, sure. We would like to have our now approaches towards all the other Arab countries, like we are planning to have in Syria, in Turkey, and in Iraq.
We hope
because this market for us is now smaller, so we can gather that one so that our market will be a little better. So this is our focus for the moment,
We wish you all the best, of course. So, Mr. Munir, can you share with us the locations? Where are we located right now, and how to contact Mizra Majid General Trade?
At present, we are in Ajman, Al Jarf area, nearby Saphir Hyper Mall. And this location, whatever where we are sitting, is our own, and we can be contacted at any time. And my telephone numbers, my emails, and everything is there in my card.
So it's easy to contact you and easy to find you.
Yes, you can contact me on my this WhatsApp number, which is 050 477 4301. And my email mirzamunir@yahoo.com. Yeah.
Dear viewers, the contact number and websites will appear below on the screen.
Inshallah.
So lastly, we from ABC Al Arabiya, we thank the UAE government and leaders for the blessings they provided us with, such as safety, luxury, and the business environment we live in here today. And we want a special thank you from you as well, Mr. Munir.
Yes, we are appreciating all the time from the day I came into UAE. Always we got everything perfect infrastructure wise, and also their safety, security, and freedom, which gave us a lot of encouragement to establish our things into UAE, especially in Dubai, Ajman, Sharjah, Abu Dhabi, and everywhere. So we are very much grateful for Sheikh Mohammed and also all other Shuyukh who are of Ajman and Sharjah and Abu Dhabi, and we wish that they long live, and we will be having all this blessings always. Yeah.
Thank you so much for
Thank
this
you very
amazing
much for
visit,
them also, Yeah.
Thank you again.
Yeah.
And thank you as well for having us here today. It was such a pleasure and such an honor.
Thank you very much. Yeah. You are welcome.
مشاهدينا الكرام، إلى هنا ونختتم حلقتنا لهذا الأسبوع. تابعونا كل Friday and Saturday on ABC العربية and social medias. دمتم بخير.